In step 8, I'm going to show you through some different modifiers that you can add to your video. So in this video, I like how Doug jumps into the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the clip where I want the clip to begin, and then I'm going to split the clip again where I want it to stop. So now I am working with just this one video. So there's a few things that I can do with this one video. The first option, if I go up to modify, while the video is selected, I can select slow motion, and I'm going to select 25%. So now as I watch play, or as I press play and watch the clip, this is what happens. So it's just slowed down. That is what slow motion is. So I've undone what I did. I'm now going to go back up to modify, and while that video is selected, I'm going to select fast forward. So this is going to make the clip go by faster. So I'm just going to select 2 times since it's a pretty short clip anyways. And this is what it looks like. So it was significantly faster. It was very, very quick. I'm going to undo, select the clip, and this time I'm going to select instant replay, and I will instant replay 100%. So now when I press play, this is what happens. Essentially, it just added the clip in a second time, and it added the instant replay text like it would while watching a sports game. So I undid what I did, and there's one more modifier, and that's rewind. And I'm just going to rewind 1 time. And this is what happens when I hit play. So what it did is it added the clip as normal, then rewound it, and then went back forward again. So that's what happens when you select rewind. And so again, to do any of those things, you want to split the clip, you want to isolate the clip so you can just focus on that one itty bitty part. And then under modify in the toolbar, you can do slow motion, fast forward, instant replay, or rewind.